Okay, so here is a video on Spiral Review 2, question number 7. And the question says, a rocket is launched at the top of a building. The height of the rocket in meters, written in terms of time in seconds, can be modeled by the function h of t equals negative 8t squared plus 80t plus 25. At what time does a rocket reach the maximum height? Okay, so for this question, it's really important that we understand the question. The question is asking for at what time, so we're looking for seconds that it takes for the rocket to reach the maximum height. Okay, so I've worked out the problem for you here. You'll see the function at the very top, and our very first step of this problem is to find the axis, actually the only step I should say, is to find the axis of symmetry. And to do that, we're going to use the formula x equals negative b over 2a. Now in this problem, we are using the variable t, so instead of x equals, we really truly should have t for time. Since our b value is 80, we're plugging that in for b to get negative 80 over 2 times a, and our a value is negative 8. So when we use our order of operations, we'll get negative 80 over negative 16 equals 5. Therefore, our answer for this question is t equals 5 seconds. Now, this is only if the question says, what is the maximum height? Then we would move on to a step 2, which is taking the 5 that we got for time and plugging that into the equation to determine the height. So we're going to plug in 5 for t for both of the t's. We're going to use our order of operations, and then that would give us the 225. But again, for this question, because it's only asking for what time does it take for the rocket to reach the maximum height, we only have to do the first step to get time equals 5 seconds.